Hello friends, I'm Sapun and today we'll discuss about this drawing, about a scenery. Already I have shown this process, how you will draw this one. I have shown here. Also I try to show the very shortly this process, but actually today I want to show you the color. So before starting color, you have to follow the process how you will draw this drawing. It's a very important because when you start any painting, any watercolor or color, before starting the color you should complete the drawing very clearly. After that you can start the color. Especially watercolor, you should complete the drawing very lightly. It's a very important thing. Now, I don't want to say anything about drawing because already I published this video. I want to say something about the color. Students, see, here I am using watercolor, artist watercolor. You have to complete the watercolor with any company color. Just try to focus only color. Here I'll show you the process. I want to say that when you use watercolor at that time, you have to control the brush and color very clearly. It's a very important thing because paper also very important, because if you rough, if you complete the drawing, if you do drawing very roughly, if you erase more and more, then you have to face some problem for watercolor. So try to complete the drawing very lightly and then you can start the watercolor. Here I want to say something about the color, especially when you color, at that time you should focus light and shadow portion properly. You should catch the light very clearly. It's a very important thing. You know why you do these things? Because this is the process. When you make any color, any painting, at that time you should focus light and shadow very clearly. I told so many times that color means just you fill up the color, you fill the painting or drawing. It's not a color. Especially, we can't say that it's not a painting. This is also painting, but I want to say that if you want to learn especially watercolor, you should focus light and shadow, you should control the water balance. It's a very important thing. Also, you should apply the mixing process. This is also very important things. So that's why I want to say that try to follow these things very clearly. Try to find out the particular color. You should follow some tester pad. You try to mix up the color and find out the proper color. It's a very common things. If you want to learn watercolor or any color, you should find out the particular mixing color. You should mix up the color and try to find out the main color. This is a very important things, and if you follow these things, I'm sure that you can make any painting, any color very clearly. So friends, try these things very clearly and best of luck. And if you face any problem, try to contact with me and definitely I will give some suggestion or advice. So students, best of luck.